What's up, guys? Here is a really cool couple of upper back exercises that you can do to hit those lats. Now, we already know that if we don't take care of our lat work and we do too much work on our chest and anterior delts, we're going to end up with shoulder problems. We're going to end up with these rounded shoulders that are always having rotator cuff strains or bicep issues. What we want to do is hit that upper back, but if you're limited on equipment and you have a band, I got a great fix for you. We'll take this band, wrap it around, create some tension by pulling into it, and then I'm going to still perform my bent over row. Now, I'm not going to get the posterior chain, all the full benefits. It's not going to get my hamstrings, it's not going to get my butt, it's not going to get my lower back very much like a barbell hanging from your shoulders would get, but it's a great way to do horizontal or perpendicular type rowing on your body to help keep your scapula balanced. So I'm bent, knees are bent, I need at least about 15 degrees, head is neutral, activate into that band, and then slowly do your bent over row. Full range of motion, pinching the shoulders on each rep, letting those elbows come all the way out, really activating into this band. And I can tell you, after only 5, 6, 7 reps there, I can already feel a great burn in my upper back. I think that because of the execution of the exercise, by pulling out like that, I'm going to get more posterior delt, but I'm definitely getting a great little squeeze on my upper middle back, that rhomboid area that you're always trying to get to. Every time I prioritize that squeeze on my back, it's really going to get my upper back. The other one I want to show you is a similar setup. It's almost like a vertical pull, like a lat pull down almost, but you got to visualize it. You're going to be prone for this one. You're going to be face down on the ground, activate into the band, and then the weight is going to be more parallel to your trunk. So, wrapped around, prone, activate, slowly pull to chest, all the way back out, pull to chest, all the way out. And wow, it's just a great little exercise. If you don't have a band, you could definitely do a rolled up towel. It would work very similarly. I think the band is better feedback because you can feel your hands coming close together, where a towel, you're just going to have to isometrically create tension, and if you start to get tired and relaxed, you wouldn't notice it as much. But great little way to nail your lats at home with nothing more than a little band.